Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Look, we have nubbins. Like totally nubs. Okay, so I broke this one, had a big chip in that one, something going on with that one. I was just over it. I wasn't going to fight it no more. So I will be painting these and showing you what beautiful manicures you can have with no nails. So today I have for you, I did a little basis loaded lacquer haul. I ordered another On the Black and Shutout, the white and black. I love them. One coaters, stampers, water marblers, everything. I won't be swatching them today, but I will swatch the other four that I grabbed. So she has launched a new storefront, and I will have the link down below for you. It's way nice. I've already used it, obviously. I got a new order, and so I did place a new order. Plus, I have excellent news. I am a Bases Loaded Lacquer family member now. I am a ambassador. So excited, so excited. What does this mean? It means I have a discount code for you all. I don't make money off of commission or anything like that, but I do have a discount code for you, and it will be listed in the description box down below. But let's get started. This is Maximus, and this is the hollow version. Look how pretty. And then this is Maximus, the original. Look at the colors. Watch as I turn the bottle. Oh my goodness. Look at that goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. And then this one was I'll Still Home for Christmas. Just a beautiful acrylic with like shards of metallic glitters in it. Love this. And then finally I had to grab this one, Flashing Some Leather. Look how pretty. Alright, so I'm going to crack these open and we're going to swatch them. Alrighty, here we go. So we're going to start off with Maximus, the hollow version. Oh, got a wonky brush. I will have to do some trimming on that. And I tell you what, let me just go ahead and stop here and show you how I do that. It's pretty rare for me to get a wonky brush from Bases Loaded Lacquer, Braves Diva, whatever you want to call it. It does have a new name though. But what I do is I just take it and go down as far as I can and trim it off. And let's see if that's fixed it. A lot of times you get brushes like that, and it's just because there's so much going on inside the polish that it just kind of fluffs the brush a little bit. So I'm going to roll that around a little bit and see what we got going on here. Yep, looks pretty good. But if you have those, just trim them off. Just, you know, trim, give them a little trim. It'll be okay. Now I'm gonna head on to, well, I didn't finish this one. Let's finish this one. I didn't get all the way to the side or the top or anything. Got sidetracked. Alright, so that's Maximus Hollow. Love. I will play with the lights here in a little bit, so maybe we can catch all the beauty on camera. Alright, and here is Maximus. And if you wanted to, like, you know how I do, save the special polishes, you could just do these over black if you wanted to, or you can build them up. But there's Maximus. And then I'll Still Home for Christmas. I know, kind of a weird combination I got going on here. But when I go on there, I always try to make sure I'm getting everything that I don't have. So there we go. Got a lot of pretties out there on that brush. That one coat. And then flashing some leather. I really like this. I really do. Oh. Very pretty. Alright, we're going to go back to the beginning. And this is Maximus Hollow. And I'm going to be rocking these colors on these little short nubs. These are staying out on my table until they get put on my hands. So, stay tuned for that. Alright. Ooh, that's so pretty. I think 2 coats will be all that needs. Oh my, what a stunner. Okay, let me get some lights moved around here so we can maybe do some playing with it. Oh. Ooh, please let that camera pick it up and show y'all how pretty that is. Oh my. Stunning. Alright, next we're going to go with just Maximus, the regular. I probably should have done it first. And then followed by the hollow, but, you know, girl's crazy. Oh, these are so pretty. Now, I'm going to do a 3rd coat on this one. Just cause can. But hopefully we can get some color flashing going on there for you. And then another coat of I'll Still Home for Christmas. And this one's really fun. Oh yeah. I likes. Went into acrylics for a long time with stuff in it, but now I'm really into them. Alright, and flashing some leather. This one didn't really need a 2nd coat, but it's getting it. Oh. I mean, that really just, that color is just so cool. Oh, loving it. Okay, we're going to go back to Maximus and do one more coat. Oh, that's so pretty. I know the camera's not doing it justice. We have that issue here in YouTube land. Alright, let me get some lights moved around. Alrighty, and this is without top coat. I just wanted to see if I could get these two to pick up on the colors. You guys, this is just crazy. This one is so pretty. I wish the camera would play right. Oh, there you go. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe so. Ha ha ha. Loving these two. So you got Maximus Hollow, Maximus, I'll Still Home for Christmas, and Jesus, I just looked at it. Flashing some leather. So those are the gorgeous new polishes that I picked up from Bases Loaded Lacquer. I will have a link down below. Stay tuned to my channel because my next 4 manicures are going to be these 4 polishes. Guaranteed. So stay tuned. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.